hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing my Lush Easter haul for 2023. Honestly, I can't quite believe that we are already diving into the Easter range. I feel like at the beginning of the year Lush just bombard us with all their ranges. So we've had Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, now we're doing Easter. I cannot wait. I've got my box here. I am so excited. I bought it yesterday, I paid for next day delivery, and now we are diving in. So without further ado, I am going to jump right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first item I decided to pick up was probably my most favourite item out of the entire range, and I wasn't going to buy it simply because it was £14 and I feel like it is just a lot. But I couldn't not get it, and that is the Celebrate Foaming Body Scrub. I don't know what this is, I am so excited about this. I absolutely love the smell of Celebrate and I cannot wait to smell this and use it and see what it looks like. So ingredients wise, we have got sunflower oil, jojoba oil, white rice, soya oil, lime oil, orange oil, Japan wax, Candelia wax, and I'm just gonna have to open it and smell it because I just feel really excited about it. So, ooh, look at that. Wow. Don't know what I expected, to be honest. I kind of thought it would be yellow. That smells insane. The thing is with Celebrate, I'm not gonna lie, to me it is a Christmas smell, simply because we had Golden Wonder and that kind of thing, so it does remind me a little bit of Christmas. I am really excited to use this. It's got like almost, it's like really hard. I'm really excited to use this though. I cannot wait. So that's the first thing I got. Like I said, it was £14, which does make me feel a little bit sick, not gonna lie, but I'm really excited nonetheless. So that's the first item I decided to pick up and I'm really excited about it. So let me know if you picked that up as well. I would love to know. The next item I picked up, and I feel like you guys are gonna be so excited about this because a lot of you have already messaged me over on Instagram tagging me in all of this because I was absolutely over the moon, and that is the Golden Egg shower gel in a bottle. Can we just appreciate it for a second? The spheres are no more. I mean, it's not that I hated the spheres, I just wasn't going to purchase it, so it's a very... okay, I hated them a little bit. I don't know, I just couldn't quite grasp it. But anyway, I am so excited that they decided to release this in the bottle. I cannot wait to smell this. I am so excited. So I only got the small bottle, mainly because of how much shower gel I actually own. It is a lot. If I didn't have any shower gel, I probably would have bought a large, so there's that. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got fine sea salt, bergamot oil, orange oil, gardenia extract, but to be honest, I think this is just going to smell, so I need to smell it. Oh my gosh. That smells, I could eat that. Obviously I won't, but that is insane. Okay, so it smells like caramel, toffee. It's kind of weird. Like, it's almost bubbly, like looking at it, like it's got like a almost frothy kind of texture to it, but it smells like toffee, caramel, kind of like a mix of, it's definitely more yognog than the Honey I Wash the Kids kind of smell, but it's so good. Wow. Okay, if you're gonna get anything, this, I mean both of these so far have been amazing, but the smell of this is unreal. If you like sticky dates, you will love this, so might be worth picking that up as well. Ooh, okay, let's do this one. This is the Henny Penny Bubble Bar. I'm not gonna lie, it's very small, like very light. Does that make sense? Like it's very compact and small. This one retails for £5.50, so it is quite a lot when you think about it. I don't know. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, ingredients wise in this one, we have got cream of tartar, olibanum oil, acorn powder, bergamot oil. It smells really good. It smells like florally, but a little bit citrusy. I think that's what bergamot smells like, the citrus. I don't know. It smells really good though. It's really fresh. I really can't describe this smell. It's really good. It's quite sweet. Sweet, florally citrus. Does that make sense? That's really, really good though. And yeah, £5.50 for that one, but it's just a little orange hen, which, yeah, it's cute. It's definitely not my favourite Easter product that they've ever had, but it is cute. Lovely. Delicious. The next item is something which I definitely didn't need more of, especially because I don't particularly love this kind of product anyway, but the look of it and the scent of it really drew me in, so I had to pick one up. I knew I would be really, really gutted if I didn't, and that is, let me check what it's called because I can't remember, Rockstar Rabbit Soap, obviously. Just look at it. How, oh, that is so nostalgic, that smell. Honestly, that takes me back. That smells so good. So essentially what this is, it's a bunny rabbit with glasses playing the guitar or the bass, either or, probably a bass actually, it kind of looks bassy, but it smells like Rockstar, which was a soap that got discontinued a few years ago, and it's really, really sweet. It smells like creamy candy, that kind of smell. So good. But this was one of the first kind of soaps that I fell in love with when I worked at Lush because it was kind of sweet, bubblegummy. It's so good. I just absolutely loved the look of this, and I had to pick it up because it was so cute, and I just couldn't not. Like, and also it will stand up in your bathroom. Like, can you imagine just having that at the sink like that, just like waiting to be used? I imagine after a few uses he'll like partially dissolve, but oh, it just smells incredible. The smell of it is so nostalgic to the point that I just don't want to use it because it just smells insane. If you like Snow Fairy, you will love this. Pick it up. Trust me, it's amazing. This one also retails for £6, so it is basically the same price as all the other soaps anyway, so yeah. I love that. I don't know how much this weighs actually, 90 grams it says, so it is a little bit smaller than a normal bar of soap that you would buy from Lush for £6, but I suppose you do get the cool design, so it's kind of worth it, but yeah. Delish, love that. The next item I simply had to pick up because of how cute it looked online, and it was £3, and I think I basically picked it up to round my total to 40. Yes, so everything I've bought today totals up to £40 plus postage. I had to get one, didn't I? Look how cute this is. This is the baby rainbow carrot. I picked purple because purple is my favourite colour, so I had to pick up a purple one, but I just couldn't not. Like, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It smells like carrot soap, carrot bubble bar. It smells very fresh. Ingredients wise, actually in this one we have got buchu oil, bergamot oil, cream of tartar, lemon oil, carrot powder, but it doesn't smell like carrots. It kind of smells, I can't even describe it to you without saying the words like nostalgic or nice, but it does smell good. It's very fresh, not necessarily fruity, but it's almost like how I would imagine a fruit that doesn't exist to smell. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know. It smells really good though. And look how tiny it is. Honestly, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. So I had to get one. I will wonder how many baths it will last because it is reusable. So you just hold it under the tap, get loads of bubbles, or I will probably put it in a sieve and run the water on it and then leave it out to dry. I imagine you could probably get 2 baths out of that though, and 2 baths for £3 isn't that bad, so lovely. Got one of those as well. Very excited about that. And last but not least, for my Lush Easter haul, I feel like I couldn't not get one of these simply for the nostalgic reasons, for the kind of, it's expected, I think, when you film a Lush Easter haul to have picked up one of these. So you're gonna have to bear with me because it's gonna go everywhere and I feel like you're gonna know exactly what it is. So let me just get it out the box a minute, and as soon as I pick it up, I'm just not gonna be able to move where my fingers have touched it. So let's go for it looks different. Oh wow, okay. I have thoughts about this. So this is the Golden Egg Bath Bomb slash Melt, which was £4.50, and it looks like this. I feel like this is a classic item. We have to pick up one of these every single year. However, this one has like a bath bomb inside, so it's like pink in the middle. The only thing about this that I am disappointed by, which you'll be surprised because I feel like this is something that I usually hate about this product, the lack of glitter. I feel like it's just like, do you know what I mean? Like there's none on the back at all. I don't know whether there's some on the inside, whether people have said that they don't like it. Personally, I'm not gonna lie, I did actually used to just like wash off a lot of it because I didn't want it in my bath. But I feel like that was the fun. It still smells great. It smells like Honey I Wash the Kids. It's so good, so sweet. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got bergamot oil, Brazilian orange oil, virgin olive oil, cocoa butter, literally nothing else to describe the smell. Bergamot oil, did I say that already? But it smells really good. It's very, very sweet. If you like the kind of foodie caramel, kind of that kind of smell, you will really love this. But I feel like I'm disappointed with the look of it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, but not my favourite, not gonna lie. So that is everything for my Lush Easter haul for 2023. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. And also, what did you pick up from the range? Are you gonna buy anything from the range? I would love to know. And yeah, obviously, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe because it would mean the absolute world and I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers. So yes, if you haven't done that, please do. But that is everything. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.